My wonderful people, the Igbos have to see this video. No be small thing o. I hope that Tinubu government and Nigeria ministries are watching this video, because not when the Igbos react and respond to a video like this, you see them dragging Igbos everywhere. If another tribe in this country come out to do something, that person will go scot-free. But when an Igbo come outside to do, it become a problem. My people, I want you to watch how this Benin woman are busy insulting the Igbos, calling them all sort of name. And these people, I want to also tell the Igbo people something. My Igbo brothers, listen. You see, these people, don't mind them. Somebody who have one bedroom in the bush and have internet, he can do anything. If you watch in this picture, in this video, you will see the bedroom and their parlor along the road in the street of Europe. So maybe he's inside this bush hoping that one Igbo man will take him to house as a wife, and that Igbo man say, no, I no go take you inside though, with this life where they live. And they now raising frustration to the Igbo people. I want you to listen to wetin this woman talk. People wey know am very well, na dem send me this video. They say that anytime wey we need am, they will lead us for where this woman wey dey talk this in there. Just watch the video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to follow our new page, Balaba this vlog, and share this video as e dey hot. The Benin people, the Oba of Benin, need to call these ladies who are busy casketing Igbo people in order before it's too late. I know why I'm saying this. Watch the video.
You pull up or use electric take shock and don't buy. You just throw away and burn and throw away. Igbo where they buy everywhere. The rest Igbo when never buy, nobody know when they want to go buy the for South Africa or India and Singapore, because powder business not like the rest. Then they hear the shot. You know go better for Igbo people. Useless Igbo. They say na Anambra money ritual, Imo, Ashawo, Abia, kidnapping, Enugu, fake property. Ebo indi wa wa wa. Ebo indi wa wa wa. Ebo indi wa wa wa. Ebo indi woo woo woo. Ebo indi Ebo indi wa wa wa. Ebo indi fula. Ebo indi fula ni. Fula ni. Ebo indi people na fula ni of Igbo land. Fula man go climb up. Amara, Fula woman. Amarashi na Ebo in name be that. Amarashi na Barakeleke name. Igbo don't colonize na for down and stupid. They don't British don't use Igbo language. Pwe can't give a gala man name Ebo in person. Can't even be proud of their name again. Carry Igbo name. Poof off. Amarashi na go. It don't go learn Anambra language. Owerri language they speak. Speak your Abakeleke. Speak your Abakeleke more here now. Speak your Abakeleke language. You go there, yeah? Never that one a language. Aboki. That one a language. I will sweet pass. Me as a day, I want to learn Hausa language. It is sweet for my ear. I get many languages to learn. I get many languages to learn. I get many language to learn. Hausa not too sweet. They're not supposed to they use Fula. They all those Eboing. They're not supposed to use Fula. They're supposed to use one, maybe Guinea, or Gambia Eboing, or Abakeleke Gambia. That one good. Gambia Abakeleke. Yeah, that one is perfect. Gambia Abakeleke. Yep. And be kakare Hausa put tag in this useless Eboing people. Hausa was sweet, language sweet. They say one language just sweet. Language sweet and perfect. For the year I go be like say you want to go learn Hausa language. I wish I can learn it right now. I love that language so much. I know people from my city where they speak and when they speak it sweets me. I just want to learn it today. I get many language to learn. I be person be say I want to hear many language. I want to hear all. And not all language I want to hear. And this prince. Oh, this prince see there is a motto. Hell, prince when there is sort of government city, you see there is a motto for your profile. Why Igbo men they inside motto for profile? They'll come wear black shirts, come open chest. Shit, God. That una powder business, no they tire una. Once they don't go sell powder, Coming back from powder business, they'll take one short picture. They don't put that for DP. Very local people. Very local people. Very useless Igbos. Igbos are useless and stupid. I cause the day they created Igbo people. I cause the day I don't know who create them or British whatever people that create them. It's not go better for them. And this are useless now. They can't need to stay in prison forever. Or need to buy themselves in shocked. All these stupid men come here wear black shirts, always liking black shirt. They'll come open button. If you look, they are down on a tight jeans, tight trouser. Very local with their Ibotic accent. Very arrogant, useless people. I don't like them. They don't have home training. They're not trained their way. The only Igbo way if you get a little bit home training, the one where they born for Lagos. They born them for Lagos. The one where they born for Lagos, even the one where they born for Ajegule. Ajegule is rough, rich. Igbo where they born for they still get respect. Because they see the system for them, say that they get respect or whatever. They train them where they because their mama self na still Ibotic Lagos born. They got to look, say when you are a Roma, you behave like a Roma. But the one where they all born for village, all those Anambra, Enugu, Abakele, all those one go, you ain't type, they don't grow, you ain't time moto, they don't pack on social media. Everywhere, just dirty side social media. All those gala seller, pencil seller, dustbin seller, bottle seller, they all full TikTok right now. People they pick pad, menstruation. Women go, you see menstruation finish to away pad. Igbo man go pick am. Go seller, pad sellers. They go picking go shit. Newborn baby go shit for pad. They go to one Igbo man go pick am. Very useless people. Then you guys said we should not expose you guys. We will expose Igbo to the world. Even I wish we can expose Igbo to the next. You know with their heads, the next that Mars or Jupiter, they need to hear Igbo criminality. I wish I can go there to tell the Jupiter, Mars, Mercury about useless Igbo people. I would have done it. Thank you very much for the gift. I would have done it. I have appointment later. I will have this live video soon but later. I tell Igbo people, I be say I go live on a little bit. Not be say I want to live on about people. Some people made me vex before. They made me say, okay, let me just relax. When I not say they giving a woro before. Now people they say I too get pepper body, blah blah blah. Let me say, okay, since they say I get pepper body, I might leave everything. But right now, my work when I work before, I've been working for so many years. My work now I don't take leave. So I might live longer. So anytime when I vex for Igbo, I feel sit down vex for Igbo, I on live video. Afternoon on live video, if I on vex for Igbo, I on live video. Night, I on vex for Igbo, I on live video. Anytime when you use less Igbo, anytime when I see Igbo person, they pass. If I enter a side bus or anywhere or I go supermarket, I see Igbo person, he head too big. If I see Igbo man head or woman head too big, once the head vex me, I come on live video. I have a lot of time for you guys right now. I be saying I want to leave number right now. I think I will not leave you people. I get a lot of time. Anytime I see your big head, I'll come disturb you now. Anytime I see your powder, your pencil trouser, cause down a pencil trouser, I'm not too they wear them for my city. Anytime I see Igbo people all the time now pencil trouser, gosh. Pencil trouser with big head. The next thing their head go just big. Shit. And they don't even know how to talk. Very, very stark literate people. They're very local, no swag. They use iPhone. I never see Igbo man get iPhone or for my city. None of them they big. They'll rent one room, pack each other for 50 people could take one room or they rent self-contained. The next thing, powders, they distribute themselves to Luxembourg, Sweden, all over the place. Shit. Just walking around. None of them even get hey, I know today I get appointment. If I come back, I see Igbo. I go supermarket also. If I see Igbo today, he get big head, I'll come down now. Anytime I see Igbo wear tight trouser. Because this period, I don't want to see now, I know the jamuna too much because I know they do the jamuna this period. But it don't be like before the jamuna. But I believe one day, I don't even look to jamuna. I found her right now. And one may I see una big high or big head, tiny high, your shape of head and your body shape, and I want to see una may I can't beat una small. I said now these people they talk to us on social media. Very local people. Igbo not they wear maka clothes. The women, not only the women, they able to try some more because of their baby factory, and shower business and whatever. They just go Dubai, go do a shower finish, go there, do connection house, go Abu Dhabi. The next thing they will go to Turkey. They'll come fly, go Turkey, go buy clothes. They'll come move to Cyprus. And what did my friend tell me? That city where my friend tell me for Cyprus that day, I don't forget. He would tell me the money where they use because there they tell me what they do. I tell them I say computer they my head. I get a big computer. The computer large, na camera they anything you tell me start there. So I don't forget so many. The city where she tell me and the money where they use. So after that work, hey Oman. Yeah, I believe I said this person know them. Blaze. They go to Oman because I think Oman is close to Dubai. In short, all the Asia country. No part where you know see Igbo woman. If you want to travel right now, just waka go Asia. They're not they call Europe because they're not they like pass that water. They fear. Just travel go any Asia country. Say you want carry a shower. Now Igbo get. They say my name is Amaka. Igbo get. Now let them see Sabi swag small based on their shower business. You know, based on 1 or 2. Others want to see they wear clothes, see wear local human hair. They don't wear bone straight, but some local semi hair they wear them. But so you see the men after their money, baby factory, money, doing powder business, doing ritualists. No, they carry their money. What do they want to go do? They'll go build. I don't see Igbo man where build mansion. The next thing, 2 months he die. They bury him for the front of the house. They be no one who bury him for front of the house. The family say me they go bury him for cemetery. They be one useless Igbo man come that they say they almost poison her for Nigeria. Una for no they tell me many things. You see me side train say, body, how you take? Blah blah blah. Just you come for travel. They almost poison her in Igbo land. The next thing run for Igbo go stay Delta State. Here lost hotel. I say, because me I they follow them well. Their information in my hand is on my palm. Igbo where they poison people. They almost poison the guy because the guy get money. And my brother, you know what Igbo they do? How local Igbo people are. They'll come Europe, the useless Igbo men. They'll come Europe, they don't walk with their powder business selling. Because none of them has open accounts before they traveled. Igbo people local way. They don't they get bank account then. So they'll come tell their brother may open bank account. So their brother will come open bank account, they put money. So as they put money, they tell their brother, say, may they collect for the money, they build that. Sometimes their brother do not build that house. Sometimes the men, after they don't build the house, the man will come travel, come reach house, come go collect your money, enter your account, come go build whatever house he like. Sometimes when Ogu, see this one say lies, every Ogu buy you, if you, I tell you, I said, I ain't most state for them for born me. I know not very well. This thing when I talk so all you both self no say not true I talk, all of them. So after they don't go Nigeria, go put their accounts. The next thing, sometimes they reach Nigeria, their brother, because of the type of money when they don't gather inside their account, their uncle will buy them. You can't buy them. You buy them, come up for road, collect the money, collect everything, because the money too big. They are part of business and everything. If you go Igbo obituary, everywhere obituary. Obituary, Igbo are so stupid, Igbo are useless. I will come for you guys later. I just want to beat you small because of how I report is in my platform just now. I was very angry. Say, why are these Yamiri people where be baby factory children we just want to report somebody account and bring it down? My hand won't tell they say powder. Igbo hand can strong. Igbo men hand. Their hand can strong. Where code. Right now, code don't come for Igbo men. Code don't come. You know, if they can buy Jacka, Igbo men, this season, Jacka. Igbo man can buy 500 euro Jacka. Even 1,000. Because my brother, this period now course is you. They want line up for Luxembourg. Go Luxembourg, carry camera. I also go video now. Remember small. Carry camera. Go Luxembourg. They all line up like prostitute. All of them wear black trouser, black jackets. Igbo men line up for street. Who close the club where they Luxembourg? Not big Igbo men. Who close that club? One of the fight. I hear. Who they fight for Luxembourg? Not big Igbo people. Who buy people for Luxembourg? Those people who buy that and not bona. This way they be like animal for Luxembourg. They be like animal there. Go to Switzerland, same thing. Switzerland, they do the same. Igbo man could just line up for street. Any Igbo way pass. Do you want to buy powder? Do you want to exchange with your phone? Do you have gold? Do you have anything you want to exchange? Very useless people. Now they can't come here. If you check Igbo people now, they can get phone. And phone when they get, no, they get him. All those useless phone. Igbo person, they don't exchange powder. Phone. If you the day where Igbo man not go work, now phone we want gold. They don't exchange. They'll ship and go Nigeria, go say. They'll ship and I know na secret. The way I tell no now women. That's why I tell no now men. I tell you, I say I grew up around you guys. I was born and brought up in Imo State. Just that my family left earlier because of our stupidity. We left when I was young. We go to Benin City, we go to our land to reside, go to our great Edonobaji. We go back. That is why I say, Igbo, when I go collect from my aunt. Igbo, when I go collect 100 years. Igbo. I don't know the way I take dislike una. I hate una so much. Only God know the way I take hate una. I never hate people. Since when I take bomb, no tribe I hate Igbo. I know they hate tribe. But sure you see Igbo. Anybody you tell me say I'm Igbo. You get one day, I did say bank. I had a press phone. I just make up. One useless Igbo, you come. He say, are you Nigeria? They greet me, one bring me a shop no go. Now come on, Suzuepa. Come on, get out, remove your half. You there, Chris? You there, Chris? The way I change half, you want chop no go for? Me? If you see the way I take bounce in hand, you they mad? I look like who single? He said, no, I don't look, I don't say, he say, I don't tell, he say, you know, and I just want to greet you in Nigeria, all of us, I want to be one with you. They know me, I don't like you guys. I don't go to your party. I don't go to your Africa chop. I don't go to your gathering. Since why I tell Daddy syrup, I don't like una no. This Chris CJ Brown, why you go wear Fulani clothes? You guys are in Southern, sir. But you wear Fulani cap. Very useless, man. Can't wear black. Anyana Brago wear black Congo for face. This wayward must he wear black Congo for face. Una get one eye. Useless Igbo people. This one I go say now. Once I don't get more money, they say alaji. You know not say I don't get money where that is what they call themselves alaji. From alaji, una can't change to Odogu. What is the meaning of Odogu? Odogu una thief from Ambo people. Criminals. Una thief Aroshuku from Ibibio. Thief Amadioha from Ikwere. Waiting I never thief winter cap from British. Waiting I never thief. I don't know if the next live video I go do now winter cap now break on. May I spit put. Borrowed caution. May I visit our account. May I go watch my page. Now see now history, Igbo history now dey my page. Your brother said you should visit my account. Now
you people remember when this our sister Anya Anambra said Amaka said something about this saying goodbye the Yoruba because of waiting the talk and the whole internet catch fire, everybody carry am. But these people are making heavy statements about the Igbos every day. Nigeria have not come outside to condemn or say we are looking for so person, neither to say anything. So I want you to share this video and send your own message give to this woman. But to want to tell this woman something, we know you very well. Not to say we don't know you. So we'll go catch you and you go explain all these things where they talk. I hope say you gave evidence, you gave proof to prove what they talk for man. Not to say as you don't put your picture, as you just they come they talk, say nobody know you. We know you very well and you are going to explain all the whole thing where they talk about the Igbo people. Now be the message we will say we'll give you. Since we don't reach my platform, it talk rela. My people, wanna share this video as you don't read.